Hello guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. Take out your notebook, and if you don't have a notebook, take out a piece of paper. Write down the date and the title, tutorial number 2. Let's start. First, I want you to look up in the dictionary these 4 words. Hydropower, hoverboard, cycling, and band. Okay, go for it and write them down in your notebook. Okay, now that you're ready, let's start. Today, we're going to talk more about technology. Remember last class, we were talking about the impact of technology and some words related to the new things that are happening in the world. Today, we have this sentence. Technology will make transportation better. So here we have some sentences, some arguments that say, yeah, it's good. Technology will make transportation better. That is why it's 4, because it's positive. And then we have the opposite. We see the negative side of these with the word against. That means that we do not agree with technology making transportation better. So let's see the 2 options. 4. That means that we believe that technology will make transportation better because all transportation will be green using hydropower or solar power. Green, right? Self-driving smart vehicles. There will be a lot of, as we mentioned in class, for example, the Tesla vehicles that you don't have to be driving. They will be driving alone. And yes, they will be used, they will be electrical. Personal hoverboards for everyone. That is something positive. No car ownership, only shared vehicles. Ownership means that something is yours, so you won't have the car for yourself. You have to share it. Cycling will become safe. That's really great. And humans will travel to Mars. All of these things are positive about transportation in the future. Now let's see some things that are negative. Car technology will not become green. Well, that is another opinion. More and more vehicles will destroy the world. Wow. Planes will be banned. That means that they will not be permitted. Oil will run out and most people won't travel at all. With no oil, it is impossible. Space travel will never happen. So all of these things are the negative things that could happen in the future, and all of these things are the positive things that could happen in the future. Let's go back to your notebook. And let's think about how will technology change the world? Let's continue thinking about the future, guys. So I want you to copy these 4 questions. Answer the statements. Will technology make education better? School, university. Will technology make entertainment better? Entertainment. That means playing video games, watching TV series, watching Netflix, watching TV. All of the things we do to pass the time. 3. Will technology make transportation better? It's what we were just talking about. And 4. What problems would you like technology to solve? So copy the questions and answer. Let me help you with number 1. So you have 2 options. This is your personal opinion. Will technology make education better? You can write yes. If you think yes, you say yes because it will, and you continue. You can say technology will make education better. Yes, because it will revolutionize, it will make easier, it will make a great impact on exams on classes. Or if you think no, you put no, because it won't allow kids to learn in the same way. Or you can say no because it won't give us options. It is what you think. If it is positive, you start like this. And if it is negative, you start like this. Okay? That's what you have to do. Let's go back and see the questions that you have to copy. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. Remember to copy and write your answers complete. Okay, now what you have to do is take a picture of your notebook and upload it in the classroom assignment. That will be all for today. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.